You're talking about this?
Yeah. So we could put a light here. Bring it.
There is. Unless it's Windex.
Alright, where is the brim? Research that thing. Where it is, what it is. Alright, let's see. Let that over. So, you know, we should grab a steamer. You grab a steamer. It's over
Where?
here. Grab this. I think it's over there. Alright, it's over here. And goes down in the fire. Here, did I mess you up? Look over at that tree. There's a tree over there that's good, and then this one right here, I think we could put a stone right there. But this plant right here, I'm trying to figure out what the heck this is. It's got to be a plant they planted by the way that they placed it here, there, there. So it's placed, over there.
Are there any other plants?
Flowers. Can I get each one of these 100?
She just spent $400 on Amazon gift card. Oh my gosh. For new doorknobs at her house. So I mean, it's lit, but I mean, it's just crazy. We just spent $400, well, $319 actually, on new door handles. They're supposed to come Monday. I don't know when they're actually gonna come. But yeah, super stoked for that. Hey, what's up guys? I just woke up. It's like 8 in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then, yeah, get ready. Okay, I finished brushing my teeth. And no, I don't eat breakfast. That's why I can just get out of bed and brush my teeth. Now I'm just gonna go play GTA. And I'll come back when something interesting happens. Or it'll either come back or the vlog will just end. Because I still have another vlog to do today. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here because I still have another one that I have to do today. So, yeah, see you guys. Please like, subscribe, sub to my other channel, it's in the description. Okay, bye.